Hi, I'm Rebecca with Cherish Children Ministries. Today, I'm going to talk to you about 8 strategies of writing. Here at Cherish Children Ministries, we equip teachers and parents how to teach writing with a holistic approach, embracing children's unique gifts and talents and igniting a passion for writing and literature. The first strategy that I use to teach writing is to effectively teach children the language that they need to know in order for them to speak and think like writers. Number 2, I read, score, and justify. As a teacher or as a mom, you just score anonymous papers with the children and you justify the why together. You can go to my website to find samples of scoring guides. 3, you will need to practice and rehearse focused revision strategies in 3 different ways. Working with a partner or a small group, working one-on-one with an anonymous sample, and revising for 1 trait at a time. Yes, just 1 trait at a time. And please use a colored pen or marker other than red. I know, we all remember those dreaded red ink marks on our papers, which made us hide inside ourselves and hesitate from taking those needed risks in writing. Number 4, read, read, read. Read printed material, all kinds of material to children to illustrate the strengths and the weaknesses of writing. Yes, even published books have strengths and weaknesses. So it's very important to show children how authors can write even though they might be weak in some areas. Number 5, write, write, write. Yes, you, as a teacher, write along with your students and take the risks and share your works in progress with them. Ask your students and your children for revising feedback. You will be amazed at how this empowers them and builds their confidence. Number 6, use Rafts, R-A-F-T-S. I have a whole nother video on Rafts, but for today, we'll summarize. Use Rafts sometimes in your writing workshop. These are important to use when you need your students to perform for a specific standard or even another content area. Sometimes we just have to write things that we're really not too interested in, but we really must write because it's merely a hoop to jump through to get to where we want to go. Rafts are a fun way to teach students how to write about something even though they might not be interested in it. Number 7, activities and focus lessons are absolutely necessary to teach writing. You will weave these focused trait skills, lessons into your curriculum no matter what your curriculum is to enhance your writing program. I have another video on how to weave your curriculum in with the traits. You can also sign up to receive a webinar instruction on how to do this. Number 8, goal setting and monitoring progress. It's important to teach your students to set writing goals and continuously monitor their progress. You will do this during your writing conferences. If you want to learn more about the 8 strategies of writing, simply visit my website at www.cherishchildrenministries.org. If you like this video, please click the link below and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.